Vehicle electrical training platform. Turn down the main switch. Activate key ignition lock, clockwise. Ignition operating status. Throttle control. Turn on small light. Headlight. High beam. Front fog lights. Rear fog lamps. Start wipers. Turn on the radio. To retain the original functionality. Brake light. Reversing light. Trumpet. Adjustable current speed. Do not adjust the speed too high. Rear view mirror adjustment. Left front window adjustment. Right rear window adjustment. Insert ECU diagnostic equipment. Choose the appropriate model. Can read fault codes.